Hi friends, how are you? So do you have an upcoming birthday party? Or you have a wedding? Or you have an anniversary celebration? Or you have a get together, a housewarming party? And you are thinking, what should I wear for that? Are you confused what to wear? You don't want to wear the same old churidar which you've been always wearing. You want to wear something new, something different, something elegant. It should look sober, it should look beautiful. Then I have the answer to all your questions. Yes, today I'm going to show you some beautiful designer kurtis which are made specially for occasions. They are not too heavy, not too grand. They are sober, but they also look very elegant. So let's start with this beautiful kurti. Yes, come on, let's start with this. So the kurti what you're seeing now is a pure cotton kurti. It's a complete long floor length kurti. It's a complete long kurti, goes up to the floor. So this kurti is a complete floor length kurti and it has a 3/4 sleeve. Fabric, as I told you, it's a pure cotton fabric. It has a nice print on the sleeve, a different print on the sleeve. This similar print is also there at the bottom. A very sober, elegant kurti. Let me show you behind. At the back also you have a similar print, all over print. This kurti comes in a single color. This is a black color kurti, single color kurti. Comes in sizes M to XXL. The kurti comes in size M to XXL. Cotton fabric M to XXL. Has a collar here which looks more elegant. So coming to the price, what do you think the price of this designer kurti is? The price is only rupees 1395. Only rupees 1395. Very reasonable price for this beautiful party kurti. Only rupees 1395. Let's see the next one. So the next designer kurti we are going to see is a coat type kurti. This kurti comes with an overcoat. As you can see, this kurti comes with an overcoat. I'll show you. Please see. Belt sleeves and overcoat kurti. The coat is attached over the kurti. This is also a long kurti. You can match it with a good pair of leggings. A nice light blue legging will match for it. It has this nice floral print. Belt sleeves, 3/4 sleeves with belt sleeves. See, the coat is an attached coat. The coat is an attached coat. Looks very elegant and classy. Very good for occasions, for housewarming ceremony. Looks simple and classy. For a birthday party, for an evening function. The material of this kurti is silk cotton. It's a silk cotton material. Silk cotton material. Let me show you the back of the kurti. As you can see, the back, it's a complete plain. Behind it's fully plain. On the front you have these designs. Coming to the price of this kurti, what do you think the price of this kurti is? Can you guess the price? Let me tell you, the price is only rupees 1975. The price of this designer kurti is only rupees 1975. 1975 for this lovely designer kurti. It comes only in a single color. It's a yellow color, single color. Size is available M, L, XL, XXL. If you can't come to our showroom, you can just leave a message and we will courier this kurti to you in your size. Do like the video and also subscribe to our channel to see the latest arrivals. Let's see the next kurti. So the next kurti we are going to see is a very designer, nice looking kurti. It also gives a traditional touch to it. This is a complete long frock cutting kurti. It's a floor length kurti. It has a nice checks design to it. It looks very elegant and classy. Perfect for an evening party. The material is a raw silk material. Very comfortable to wear, skin friendly and looks classy. What else you need? It has a combo of everything. The sleeves have a nice bell cutting, 3/4 sleeves, which make it look more classy. The fabric is a raw silk cotton fabric. It has a nice frock cutting to it. The fabric has a nice frock cutting. Let's see the back. This kurti will give a very good look once you wear it. It has a nice classy look to it. The size in this kurti is size M to XXL. You have size M, L, XL and XXL. The price of this kurti, what you guess it might be? Can you guess the price of this kurti? The price of this kurti is only rupees 2150. Wow, 2150 for this amazing designer kurti, available in sizes M to XXL. Coming to the next designer kurti, this is a long floor length kurti. This is a silk cotton material. You have this full design going up to the bottom. You have a nice frock cut with a floral print in the side. Gives a very classy look to it. Very good for a party. You can match this with a good shimmer legging, or you can also wear a palazzo. This can also be worn as a frock also. On the inside you have this black layer to it, which gives a very good look. You have a cutting which makes it a very nice looking kurti. You must have noticed many celebrities wearing this in award shows or TV serials. Around the waist you have this nice design around the waist, complete stone work. At the back it's plain black. It's plain black behind. Coming to the size of this kurti, the kurti is available in sizes M to XXL. M, L, XL and XXL. And the price of the kurti is rupees only 2150. The price is only rupees 2150. Very nice designer kurti. Just arrived from the fashion capital of India, Bombay. Only rupees 2150. Coming to the next kurti. This kurti is made of rayon fabric. Nice soft rayon fabric. It has a nice prints, which makes it look very trendy and fashionable. This kurti is also a complete floor length kurti and umbrella cut kurti. floor length kurti. The kurti also has sleeves. You can attach the sleeves if you require. The material is given along with the kurti. Let me show you the back. At the back also you have the complete design. The complete print is also at the back also. It's an all over print. The kurti can be worn with leggings or palazzo pants, or it can also be worn as a frock. A nice kurti for a puja, housewarming, birthday party, or you're going to meet your friends or get together. A nice kurti can be worn anytime during the day or the night. Coming to the price of this kurti, what do you think the price of this beautiful elegant kurti is? It's priced very reasonable, only for rupees 1475. I repeat, it's only rupees 1475 only. Sizes available are M to XXL. M to XXL size available. So the next kurti we are going to see now is a floral floor length long kurti. This kurti comes in a shade of green. Gives a very classy look to it. Comes with 3/4 sleeves and has a very nice pattern also on the sleeves. The material is a rayon material fabric. I repeat, the rayon material. A nice soft rayon material. This kurti is a perfect kurti for birthday parties, functions, or get together. It makes you look very elegant and sober. The kurti is a nice grand kurti, but it doesn't feel very grand when you're wearing it. I mean, the material is so light and so airy, it doesn't feel that you're wearing something very heavy, unlike the grand heavy churidars or the kurtis you're wearing. It's a nice lightweight and an airy kurti. So, what do you think the price of this kurti is? The price of this kurti is rupees only 1525. I repeat, the price of this kurti is only rupees 1525. It's available in sizes M to XXL. I repeat, it's available in sizes M to XXL. Let's see the next one. Wow, this kurti looks very classy. This is a complete long floor length kurti. This is a nice long floor length kurti. Let me show you the designing of this kurti. It has a very unique pattern. You can see at the bottom it has a plain color. At the top you have this all over print. A different cutting here. You can see this cutting goes up to here. It has a slight designing fabric here. It's a stitched ready-made kurti. It's a designer kurti, ready-made. At the back it's completely plain. It's completely plain at the back. It's a chiffon material, a very nice light chiffon material. So coming to the price of this kurti. The price of this kurti is only rupees 2150. The price of this kurti is only rupees 2150 and available in sizes M to XXL. Sizes available for this, in this beautiful kurti M to XXL. Let's see the next kurti now. This kurti has a lovely work on the neck. You have this print and also have this lovely sequence which goes fully around the neck. You have these beads. It's a very nice classy kurti, not too jazzy. A plain color kurti, it's a plain kurti with a neck work and gives a very classy look. It comes with 3/4 sleeves and it's completely a floor length kurti. This kurti has a design here at the side. You can see you have sequence over here also, and this is a side cut kurti. It's a high slit side cut kurti. You can see it's a side cut kurti with a high slit. So you have plenty of options you can wear underneath, below. You can wear a palazzo pant, sharara, jeans, you can wear jeggings, you can wear leggings. So this is currently in trend. It's a high slit kurti. The latest collection. This kurti comes in a single color. And the price of this kurti is very reasonable. The price of this kurti is only rupees 1325. Only rupees 1325. Yes. Only rupees 1325. You also have the pleats around the waist portion here. And the kurti is made of rayon material. You have the pleats extending to the back also. This kurti is made of rayon material, a very classic kurti.